Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys the solution of why can't I post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. The honest truth is there is no magic solution because this is a beta feature, so it's been given to some people and not given to some people. You can head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. Make sure it's up to date, and then one more thing you can do is head over to settings, and then you need to go to help. From there, go to Help Center. After that, what you need to do is just click on anything. To be honest, it does not matter. And again, click on anything else. And then below it says, was this helpful? You want to click on no, click on other, and say, hey, I haven't gotten the option to post more than 10 photos. Please enable it for me, and then click on submit. And within 24 hours, if they accept your request, you can get it. Otherwise, as I said, there is no possible solution to this. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.